Hey, I'm back with another playthrough and I'm gonna do the original Ratchet and Clank. Now, the reason I'm not going to do the new one is because I prefer to play the original version. And I really feel like remakes, even if the graphics are superior, are not, the better game. So trying to get my headset working. I got a new headset, but for some reason I can't get it to work on the PS3. As long as the capture device is playing, which I need it plugged in for this to record these videos. So for the time being, I won't be able to use it. The Turtle Beach Recon 60p it's called, but I'll be able to use it when I'm doing PS4 playthroughs. So I haven't played this entire game. I've played parts of it, but it's been a long time, so I don't remember jack shit about it.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
They were gonna terminate him. Heightism at its best. Because he's small, he's useless, right? Yeah, I'd leave the planet as well. Why do they feel like it's necessary to go after him? He's not gonna be a threat to that factory, I wouldn't think. Pretty resourceful, little guy. Beginning of the game.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travel. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
I gotta get accustomed to the controls. You don't have a gun at this point.
To disable help desk messages, please select options from the pause menu. Gadgetron's OmniWrench 8000 includes a new balance feature. To activate it, use the R1 button.
For some reason, the bolts
Press the square button.
are like homing. They float to him, kind of like the gems in Spyro. But I believe these games came from the same developer as Spyro, so that explains that.
use your bomb gun, press the circle button to equip it, and the circle button again to fire it. You can also use it in first person by holding down the L1 button.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Sounds like William
I was on the
Shatner
radio
from Star
every week.
Trek.
Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
Chairman Drek's flagship.
This
Nice
could be a
ponytail.
problem. Take care.
Widow's Peak hairline, too.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Pleasant man.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Alright. I don't know what my goal is right now. So, explore, I guess. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Please ignore that. As you can tell, people that have watched some of my playthroughs, I'm god awful at all of them. So, I'm not going to sit here and claim I'm a god at any piece. I really am not. I'm a scrub.
You just picked up nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury, let Gadgetron's patented nanotech system rebuild your body from the inside out.
Why can't I hover? Can't you hover with me? Fuck. Shit. I don't even know where I'm going, man.
Dad, blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
500 bolts? Sure, why not?
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
Skid marks.
He's a pro hoverboarder. Always going off about how cool.
That must be a hidden joke by the
like he's in
developers.
trouble.
To
I'll
name
see.
someone Skid
I've never
marks in
seen
the
him
game.
look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have an infobot for planet Iridia, you'll need to find a ship to get there. To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Right. Grab all this shit. We gotta find Skid Mark. sewer water must be delicious. This spot.
Press the square button to dive and the X button to rise. Push the X button harder to rise more quickly.
Ooh, that was close. I don't like the swimming controls. Swimming controls suck balls. Oh, great. Did a big circle. It doesn't help. Need to find my way off this snobby planet. Gives you plenty of bolts. Unless this isn't really a lot and the game trying to sell you expensive shit later. That's what I'm guessing that's the deal. Some of the weapons probably. Really, the only weapons I use in this game are the blaster and the flamethrower. Like, everything else is kind of just funny shit. Or weapons that are really situational. Oh, he's still alive? That's nice.
Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have coordinates to 2 new planets, you can use your ship. Press the select button to bring up the map.
Marked by ship. I did all my missions at this shithole.
Hello, citizens
I don't
of...
want to look at that.
Now that you have coordinates to 2 new planets, you can use your ship. Press the select button to bring up the map.
Back to the
Your
ship.
ship is marked with a star.
Oh, Iridia. Try that one. Locate skid mark. Okay, skid mark should be there.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Sure, I'll buy it. The flamer. Is that skid mark?
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
Yeah, he's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, all right. You just keep that foot elevated.
Gold bolt is in there. Got a chunk of them there. Last two. Why did I make two of them difficult to find? Come on.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well, I got a band. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on planet Rilgar.
Find Skid Mark's agent. So I still got a mission here to do. God, that's quicksand, it kills you. Do you have any other gifts?
I got some great bargains for you today.
You will need a Gadgetron swing shot to traverse this
Alright,
area.
I can't progress.
Records
this
indicate
area
that your
yet.
swing shot is not a bid on this planet.
Go to another world and look for another gadget, I guess. Where haven't I been? I think it's this one.